and down each day. My thoughts just keep on spinning like an endless Ferris wheel. When will the chaos fade away? Feeling all alone together, searching for a way to heal. I picture you outside my door, can't wait to throw it open wide, bring you back inside. When can I sing for you once more? I miss the music and the crowd. I wanna live out loud again. My heart's been holding out so long that we will be together once again. Let's fill the silence with a song. Our melody will lift us off and on, my friend. It's time to dream again. When you have wings, you need to fly. But I've been grounded by this winter, growing restless day by day. The sun will rise and so will I. From way up here, the things I fear will slowly melt away. I hear the songbirds so much more. The day is breaking clear now. You are near now. Maybe we're stronger than before. Your light has been a gift to me. It's lifted me again. My heart's been holding out so long that we will be together once again. Let's fill the silence with a song. Our melody will lift us off and on, my friend. It's time to dream again. It's time to dream again.